Today I have a ring light that I purchased off Amazon. And let's get to the unboxing. Instructions. So this one comes with a controller, and you can adjust the light's temperature from 3200 kelvins to 6500, brightness on and off. Comes with the phone clip and the tripod legs. What I like about this one is that it comes with dual lights, so instead of just one coverage of the light. So let's take a look at this. So inside we have a Bluetooth shutter. This is pretty standard, universal. It connects through Bluetooth, and this way you can either take a picture or start or stop your video recording. Here is the phone mount. Let's take a look here. It's got some rubber here with the preloaded spring to clip your phone in. So these are the LED ring lights. It's got a frosted cover over it. It's to diffuse the light. These are the connections to the remote, and these are the two. Okay, so they're about 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter, and there's two of them, so give you a better coverage. They both are detachable with these plugs. They look like stereo inputs, 3.5 millimeter inputs. Okay, and then comes with a bit of a wiring. It's pretty long. And here we are. Here's the remote. These cables are a little bit thin. As you can tell, they're actually very thin. Okay, and then this end is the USB. So this is where it gets the power. Okay, so let me just assemble this first. Take everything out. Metal adapter. The tripod legs. Also metal. This antenna looking thing is gonna be where you mount the lights. Okay, so let me just put this together. It's just a thread, you just screw it in. Okay, like that. And then you can either have the phone vertical or horizontal. Plug these back in. So again, these wires are very thin. I'm not sure how long they will last, but just a note. Okay. So these cables are quite long, because this will go to your power source, this USB. So whether that be your computer or a USB adapter to the plug, to a wall plug. So we've got about, let's see, 1 feet, 2 feet, 3, 4, 5.5 feet of cable length right here, right? All right, so I have a regular USB power adapter. Okay, now that the USB is plugged in, I have the remote in my hand, and we do have a illuminated blue light letting me know that it is ready to turn on. So let's try it. Okay, power. Boom. Wow. Okay, that's pretty bright. And I can adjust the brightness with the minus and plus buttons, as you see here. So I'm gonna lower the brightness. This is the lowest setting. And I'm gonna, you can probably hear the clicks. Okay, and that's max. So we've got about 5 intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 levels of brightness. And then with these 2 buttons, we can adjust the color temperature. So right now it looks kind of a bit around 5,000. Let's make it, okay, more blue. So this is 6,500 or 6,000. And we can make it warmer. As you can see, it's more of a warmish tone, and bring it back to daylight and off. And let's see if it memorizes the last setting. So we have it at max daylight. All right, off, on, off. Okay, let me see what happens if I unplug it. Okay, plug it back in. See if it remembers the last setting. Yeah, it does. Wait. Yeah, it does. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, so once you unplug it, it loses the memory. But as long as you leave it in, it'll remember your last light setting. All right? Let's do that again. Let's bring it all to the warmest and lowest light setting. All right, off, on. Yes. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing of the dual LED ring light. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.